Hey guys, welcome back to KasMI. Today we're going to be doing a price update on a fairly unique project called Wilder World. Eventually I'll be doing a surface level dive into the project, but for today I just wanted to talk to you about the price. Um, we're obviously in a fairly long-term bear market at this point, but this coin in particular has struggled basically since its launch. The first line I'm going to draw here is a trend line coming back to basically 2021. If you could see here, okay, basically been in a downward trend since the first year of the coin. Early 2022 is when we really went into a bear market. Now, we saw some pretty significant rallies. I was a part of the coin. Probably in this area here is when I got involved. And ever since then, we saw a climb to $1, and ever since then, it's just been pretty much down. Now, I have some reasons I believe why that's happening, and I do believe, in my opinion, there is some price manipulation, but we're not going to get into that today because that would require pulling up their site and actually looking into the project, and it would strictly be based on opinion. Today, we just want to look at the price action. So, um, from what we could see here, we really are at all-time lows at this point. Um, in order for us to see some positive price action. The day just start the week really is has not moved too much at all, and the day just restarted. But in order for us to see any positive price action, we're gonna have to get above 5 cents again, kind of pushing towards 10 cents. We are under the 20-week moving average for a really long time. And while we have these pumps where we sort of break up above some of these moving averages, if you want more information on the moving averages, I'll be making videos about those in the future. But basically, it's a median of the price for a certain amount of time. Okay, and being under the 20-week moving average is that's your easiest moving average to break. Okay. Real quick, guys, I want to invite you to check out KasMart.org. KasMart.org is a open marketplace where people can buy and sell just about anything from video games to clothing to goods and services for cryptocurrency. Currently, we accept Solana, Ethereum, and Kaspa. Feel free to use the link down in the description to check out KasMart.org or check out the video at the end of this for more information, and we'll see you guys on KasMart. And this is on the daily chart here. You could really get an idea of how scary this chart is, some of these drops. And look how long we floated under the 20-day moving average. I mean, that's pretty exceptional to have so little volume to get this thing above the 20-day moving average for that long. So right now we are at all-time lows, uh 2.6 cents. And until we get above, like I said, 5 cents, we're really going to just keep considering this a bear market. And even then, I mean, we have to be in like the 6 to 10 cent range in order to consider this any type of possible reversal. Um, these coins, these projects, they launch. This coin in particular does have an ecosystem behind it, but the volume just isn't there for the coin. And like I said, I think there's other reasons for that, and I will dive into that on an opinion basis. But for today, I just wanted to look at the coin, take a dive into the chart, and just show you guys there's really, as of right now, no turn in sight. This is just all bearish action. I think it's very likely that we could see another, maybe not a candle quite as steep as this one. I mean, this was a 75% drop that we just never recovered from on this particular chart. I don't know if it'll be quite that bad again, but you can kind of see a similar chart pattern here uh, where we just kept climbing down and then boom, and we kind of have something similar going on here. So hate to be the bearer of bad news. The trend is your friend, okay? And when it's this bearish, on a long-term scale, and then you zoom in and it's this bearish on a short-term scale, it's very likely that we're going to see more bearish action. So, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it, please subscribe to it, and most importantly, let me know what you think down in the comments. If there's a certain coin you want to see me do a price analysis on, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video.